Welcome to the best pick. The best drone with GoPro mount is probably one of the most versatile and exciting pieces of technology available today, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial footage with the unparalleled quality of a GoPro camera. Imagine soaring through the skies, filming cinematic shots from perspectives previously only dreamed of, whether you're a professional filmmaker, an adventurous vlogger, or simply looking to add a unique dimension to your travel videos. This innovative combination merges the freedom of drone flight with the rugged, high-definition capabilities of your favorite action camera, opening up a world of creative possibilities for stunning visual storytelling. Number 5. Holy Stone HS724K GPS Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial photography with its advanced 4K UHD camera. Built-in image stabilization ensures smooth, vibration-free shots, letting you capture professional-quality images and videos. Never lose your drone thanks to its intelligent GPS system. It automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is lost, giving you peace of mind during every flight. Enjoy effortless flight with features like autofollow, custom path flying, and orbit mode. These intelligent functions allow you to focus on your creative vision while it handles the flying. With two intelligent batteries, you get an impressive 52 minutes of total flight time. Its long-lasting brushless motors provide a quiet and efficient flight experience. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it incredibly easy to take your drone anywhere. Enjoy outdoor adventures without the hassle of bulky equipment. Even beginners can master flying with its intuitive controls. Features like one-key start, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning ensure stable hovering and easy operation. Explore further with a remarkable control range of up to 3,000 feet. The considerate controller displays essential information and offers options for both right and left-handed users. What we like. Experience extended aerial adventures with a remarkable 52 minutes of flight time across two batteries. Its powerful brushless motors ensure a quiet and stable flight. If you're looking for a drone that offers long-lasting performance and reliable operation for extended photography sessions, this is the one for you. What people say. The drone is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The camera quality is excellent, providing crisp and clear footage. The flight stability is impressive, even in windy conditions. Number 4. Holy Stone HS175G GPS Drone. Introducing the upgraded version of our popular drone, specifically designed for adult users. It features a 4K EIS camera for exceptional image quality and smoother video stabilization. This drone is equipped with a 4K EIS camera featuring a Sony CMOS sensor. Its 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt ensure high-resolution images, while 5 GHz FPV transmission provides smooth video even in challenging conditions. With GPS-assisted flight, this drone can automatically return home if it loses signal, goes out of range, or has low battery. You'll never have to worry about losing it. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of flight time with the included two batteries. Single battery fast charging means you won't have to wait long to get back in the air. This drone is easy to fly with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjustment. It comes with a carrying case and a foldable design for easy storage and portability. Weighing under 250 g, it also helps you avoid FAA registration. Explore advanced intelligent functions like autofollow, waypoint flight, and point of interest circling. An emergency stop feature ensures your flight is both enjoyable and safe. What we like. Capture stunning visuals with its 4K EIS camera and enjoy an impressive 60 minutes of flight time thanks to dual batteries and fast charging. Plus, it's under 249 g, meaning no FAA registration is required. If you're a beginner or a traveler who wants a high-quality, easy-to-fly drone that's also portable and hassle-free, this drone is an excellent choice. What people say. The drone is incredibly stable in flight, even in moderate winds, making it easy to capture smooth aerial footage. The integrated GoPro mount is secure and allows for quick attachment and detachment of the camera, providing great flexibility for different shooting needs. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is ample for most recreational filming sessions. Number 3. Holy Stone HS710 4K GPS Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial photography with our 4K camera. It captures every detail with a wide-angle lens and adjustable view, transmitting smooth, high-definition footage directly to you. Let our intelligent flight features take over. With modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight, you can free your hands and enjoy the creative fun of flying together as a family. Designed for ease of use, this drone hovers steadily and returns home automatically. One key takeoff and landing make it simple to get started, making it a perfect choice for beginners. Enjoy incredibly stable flight thanks to its advanced positioning system. It maintains a steady hover both indoors and outdoors, ensuring a reliable flying experience. Equipped with powerful brushless motors, it handles wind with ease. Enjoy longer flight times with convenient, safer modular batteries, providing up to 25 minutes of continuous fun. This drone offers professional-grade features like a 4K camera and GPS intelligence, enhancing your flying experience. Its portable and foldable design makes it easy to take anywhere. Weighing under 0.55 pounds, this drone is incredibly lightweight. This means no FAA registration is required, making it the perfect companion for all your travels. What we like. This drone boasts a 4K UHD camera and is designed to be incredibly easy to fly, making it perfect for beginners. Its triple stability guarantee, combining GPS and optical flow positioning, ensures remarkably stable hovering. If you're new to drone flying and want a user-friendly experience with excellent stability for capturing smooth footage, this model is ideal. What people say. The drone is incredibly stable in flight, even in moderate winds, making it easy to capture smooth footage. The integrated GoPro mount is secure and allows for quick attachment and detachment of the camera, providing great flexibility for aerial photography. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is ample for most recreational uses. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720G 4K Drone. Soar to new heights with this advanced drone, featuring a cutting-edge camera. Its 2-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization work together to eliminate vibrations, ensuring smooth and crystal-clear visuals. Powerful brushless motors provide unmatched stability for your shots. Experience heightened clarity with its 4K camera, perfect for detailed imagery. The wide-angle lens captures impressive vistas, and with a long remote control range, you can explore and capture your surroundings with ease. Enjoy an impressive 52 minutes of continuous flight with the included dual batteries. This doubles your time in the skies, allowing for extended exploration and capturing stunning moments without pause. Upgrade your flying experience with its powerful brushless motors. These advanced components ensure seamless, efficient, and remarkably quiet flights, providing whisper-quiet precision for pristine audio and visuals. Its GPS auto-return feature ensures a seamless flight experience. If it travels too far or loses signal, the GPS system effortlessly guides it back, boosting your confidence on every flight. With a beginner-friendly design and seamless GPS support, this drone empowers your aerial adventures. Capture amazing footage with confidence and ease, no matter your experience level. What we like. Achieve unparalleled aerial stability with its 2-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization, ensuring crystal-clear visuals even with high-powered brushless motors. Enjoy an extended 52 minutes of flight time with dual batteries. If you prioritize smooth, professional-looking video footage and want ample time in the air to capture breathtaking scenes, this drone is a fantastic option. What people say. The drone is easy to assemble and the GoPro mount is secure. Flight stability is excellent, even in moderate winds, making for smooth footage. The battery life is impressive, offering around 25 minutes of flight time per charge. Number 1. Holy Stone HS360E 4K EIS Drone. Introducing the Holy Stone HS360E, an upgraded drone designed for adults. It offers stunning 4K video with EIS stabilization, building upon the HS360S model for an even better experience. Experience professional quality photos and videos with its 4K camera. Featuring electronic image stabilization and a 1200W sensor, it ensures every shot is crystal clear and smooth. With an impressive 20,000-foot transmission range, you can explore vast landscapes and capture distant scenes. Enjoy real-time video feedback from further away than ever before. Weighing under 249 g, this drone is lightweight and portable. It complies with regulations, meaning no FAA registration is required for adults to fly, making it perfect for hassle-free adventures. Equipped with advanced GPS, it ensures safe flights with auto-return home functionality. Intelligent modes like Follow Me allow for dynamic content creation with ease. Powered by durable 1503 brushless motors, it delivers a quieter and more stable flight. Enjoy smoother control and capture incredible 4K footage without interruption. What we like. Explore further than ever before with an incredible 20,000-foot transmission range, all while staying under the 249G FAA registration limit. Its 4K EIS camera ensures stunning image quality and smooth video stabilization. If you're looking for a drone that offers exceptional range, portability, and high-quality imaging without the hassle of registration, this is the perfect drone for your adventures. What people say. The drone is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The GoPro mount is sturdy and holds the camera securely. Flight performance is stable and responsive, even in moderate winds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.